Hi, and welcome to this brief introduction into Prospect CRM, how it works, and most importantly, how it integrates to Unleash software. This is not a full product demonstration, it's just a short video showing why Prospect CRM is the only choice for B2B product-led businesses, who of course have Unleashed as their inventory solution. You will first need an Unleashed account to get started, and here's mine. You can then head to the integration store where you can sign up for your free trial of Prospect CRM. Doing this will start the two-way integration. And this will bring in key settings like currencies and tax, full product files, pricing, stock, and key customer data, giving sales teams access to critical data usually inaccessible. However, the real power is in how it will then analyze your customer data to provide real, actionable insights for marketing, sales, and account management. And this analysis is designed to maximize sales, increase customer lifetime value, and enable you to provide a first-class customer experience. So let's jump into Prospect CRM and take a look at some of the key elements we provide to help you do just that. On the screen, you can see that I'm on the account management dashboard, which has already been pre-populated with data imported from Unleash, getting you straight into the action, even in your free trial process. Front and center, we have the RFM analysis, which stands for recency, frequency, and monetary value. It is an industry standard reporting logic built into the CRM. And ultimately, it enables us to automatically categorize your customers into these predefined segments that you can see in the different colors on the screen. This allows you to provide the right focus at the right time across your customer base. Down in the corner, we have our customer trends report, giving you an overview of customers increasing and decreasing revenue year on year. And probably most notable for wholesalers, distributors, and manufacturing businesses, where a lot of revenue is or should be provided by existing repeat ordering customers, we have the missing order alerts. If I hit select more, we will get a full list of customers who should have ordered by now. We can also see when they placed their last order and what their usual days between order is. This is all driven by the buying patterns we glean from the Unleashed sales history we're continuously importing and updating. This not only shows who we should be calling, but it also highlights customers who might be a churn risk early on, before they actually do churn and maybe move to buying from a competitor. From here, I can also select a customer record to open. Firstly, we can see usual CRM stuff like company details. We have an activity feed, a place to store and manage contacts, sales opportunities, customer service problems, quotes and orders, and so on. But if we take a look at the right-hand side of the screen, we have an at-a-glance section, all based on data from Unleashed. We have an RFM and last order summary, and we also have top-level spend information about this customer. If I just click on the summary tile, it shows a more in-depth view of this customer. We can see spend and buying trends by month and by order, and we can also see a breakdown of spend by top products as well. Not only do we import all customer data, we also do this for products. If I go to the See More section, and from this report, if I select our cheeky cherry jam, I can also see all of the information about a product that's been imported from Unleashed, including product images if available. We have list price and cost price. We also import product price tiers, customer specific and quantity break pricing. We show available stock, and this can also be broken down by warehouse. We also import purchase orders to show potential next available dates as well. All customer and product data shown is updated regularly throughout the day from Unleashed, making sure we have real-time data to support all this analysis and sales tools. And whilst the Unleashed data sharing helps sales and account management increase sales and customer lifetime value, of course, there is also a wealth of other CRM features. Without getting into too much detail, if I click on the Create menu, you can see all the usual CRM features that we offer and more. You can create companies and contacts, and even can create an Unleashed account directly from within Prospect CRM for first-time buying customers. We have inquiry forms and inquiry loggers. We have the wealth of standard reports available and also the ability to create your own reports. Sales opportunity management, customer service ticketing, a quotation tool with the ability to create beautiful documents to send to customers. And you can also create sales orders and process these to Unleash without switching apps. And we even have marketing campaign tools with integration to email marketing platforms. So with access to all of this CRM and Unleashed data combined, you have a perfect 360-degree view of your customers. We even have further dashboard reports, allowing you to manage sales pipelines. And probably saving the best till last, we have the Magic Matrix. This takes your unleashed categories, which you can see here, and alerts you to upsell opportunities within your existing customer base. If we head to the Magic Matrix grid, you can see your customers down the side and your categories throughout the top, and clear color coding showing who has bought a product from a specific category in green, and red where they have never purchased. Again, all possible with a sales history taken from Unleashed. You can even follow a build awareness workflow to start cross-pollination building campaigns and introducing opportunities for your customers. More information on leveraging the Magic Matrix to increase sales can be found in our documentation and on our YouTube channel. There's a lot more to uncover, and this is just a short video and it's only scratched the surface. So if you have an Unleashed account or trial, head over to the integration store or prospectsoft.com and take a free trial with us today. We can then take you through a full product demonstration using your real data in real time, showing you how to grow sales and customer lifetime value using Prospect CRM, the #1 stock-aware CRM for distributor, manufacturing, and wholesale businesses. We look forward to working with you soon.